Hey, welcome to episode 157 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about getting a mortgage after a short sale. So, if you guys already had a short sale, you think about getting another mortgage, we're going to talk about the waiting periods. How long is it actually going to take for you guys to get a mortgage? So, there's going to be different waiting periods depending on what you are going to actually do. So, I want you guys to understand that it's different type of loans that you could take out. If you decide to take out like a conventional loan, typically you got to wait about 4 years after a short sale to qualify for a new conventional mortgage. You have to understand that there is some type of circumstances, which we're going to go over next, that can make these different periods actually be shorter. So we can go from 4 years to 2 years if you maintain good credit after getting your short sale and you had these different circumstances, which we're going to talk about. Another thing is for the FHA, usually you got to wait about 3 years. If you're trying to do a VA loan, you're looking at about 2 years, and in USDA, we're looking at about 3 years. Now, again, there's different circumstances that can make these numbers change. Okay, so we have to think about those different circumstances. So let's actually talk about a few of them. I'm talking divorce. If you guys had any like medical bills, you had like a lot of medical bills, you had basically a medical emergency, then they would consider actually thinking this as a circumstance where you don't have to wait 4 years. You can go down to 2 years, or a job layoff. Say if you was laid off at work, these different things, they're going to look at it as different factors. Okay. Now, different other factors going to influence it also. What is your credit score? Is your credit score a lot higher? Have you been doing great? Have you not had any late payments since? You have to think about that. And then what about your financial situation right now? Do you have more money? Do you have money saved? How is your debt to income ratio? What debts do you have overall? All of these things are going to be considered. Now, there are some steps that you can take after a short sale, you guys. After a short sale, start rebuilding your credit. Save for your down payment. Work with a mortgage broker, because a mortgage broker can be able to tell you where you're at, because they look at your credit and tell you where you at and what you need to do to be able to get your mortgage. And then they also, when you're able to actually apply for mortgage, or when you're ready, they can actually send your mortgage application to multiple banks and lenders. So I definitely like that. And then it can help you review your finances and review your budget too. Now, understand that a short sale is going to impact your future, but all you have to do is just make sure that you're staying on top of everything now. Yeah, you had a situation in the past. You know that you need to work on your credit. You need to make sure your money is together, and you just have to wait whatever that time frame is, and you should be able to get that mortgage that you want. But hopefully you guys found these tips helpful. And again, make sure you talk to a mortgage broker, because I like those better, because there's so many different companies they can shop you out to. They can be able to help you find a mortgage better than going to a direct bank, because a direct bank can only give you what they have. A mortgage broker, they can send you to that bank plus other ones, 30 other ones. So definitely look into a mortgage broker. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts in your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and this can actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I want to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete that application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different credit 101, home buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.